Excuse me. Okay, so I learned a little bit recently about Regex, and then I decided to learn a little bit more. Wait, I have the Bing AI here. I saved it. So the way I learned about Regex was I just basically asked Bing to tell me what was going on and to do it for me. And then I just kind of, instead of just blindly using the code, which a lot of people would do, which is fine too, you can do that, I wanted to learn a little bit more about how and why it works. And so I asked a few questions here. And then I also looked at the code carefully that it gave me, tried it out, and of course it worked right away. Doesn't always happen with AI, but it's got a pretty high, what do you call it, rate? So anyways, so let's look at a few of these things here, and just to kind of see how long this takes. I mean, I've only used Regex a few times. I used it for my chat overlay. Both times I've used it to parse the data that Twitch gives you when you receive a chat message. So let's see what we can do. We have this here. See, this is the Regex that I used from Bing. Alright, well, let's see if I... So what are the things... Let's see, 10 fundamental concepts of regular literal characters. Most basic regex pattern matches the exact characters as they are. Okay. So what does that even give you? Literal characters. Okay. Concept, literal characters. I think one of the things that is difficult for me to understand is what actually does it give you? See, here it is. See, let's say you have the string A, B, C, D, G. Okay, hold on. Let's let the essay finish here so I can scroll up and actually read. Blum, 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 blum. Here we go. All right. So let's say you have a string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and you want to find the substring A, B, C. You can use regex with literal characters to do this. Here's how you do it. Regex, string, IOStream. Okay. So here's your string, and you say regex... Our regex pattern with literal characters. Oh, that's what this is. That's literal characters. Okay. Otherwise, you could use a string. Yeah. std match m. If std regex s, which is your original string, m is the match that it's going to populate for you, and then r is your... Oh, I see. That's a string. Is that a string constructor? That's a constructor. Or no, that's a constructor for a regex type. Okay, sorry. With a regex pattern with literal characters. Alright. So std out match found m.str. Else no match found. Oh, okay. So what does it actually return? Let's go into... Let's remove that. Let's just go into here for a second. Add. Existing. No. No. Add. So let's copy this whole program and just see how it works. There we go. Save it. I think we might have some stuff. I think... Will glad interfere anything? No. Okay. Match found ABC. So it... Oh, okay. So it returns the actual match. Not like an index into the string. Not like, yeah, anything like that. So that's other string commands that will do that. All right. Okay, so I guess I understand that. The other one is meta characters. Characters with special meaning matches a single dot. Meta characters. Characters with special meaning. Okay. Let's see. Sure, in regular expressions, meta characters are characters that have special meanings. Here's a list of the meta characters and their meanings. Okay. So this is some of the stuff that I was watching Quantum Apprentice do on his stream the other day. Yesterday, in fact. Excuse me. Excuse me. Pardon me. I think I should go eat some ginger. But okay, so the dot matches any single character except new line. That matches the start of a line. Matches the end of a line. I think that's the same as what he was going through. Matches 0 or more of the preceding element. So A star would be 0 or more of A. Matches 1 or more of the preceding element. So B plus would be 1B or more. Okay. Question mark matches 0 or 1 of the preceding element. Oh, 0 or 1? 0 or 1. Interesting. Okay. Parenthesis defines a group. That defines a character set. Defines a specific quantity of the preceding element. Acts as a logical OR. Matches the pattern before or the pattern after the OR. Oh, interesting. So you can make a lot of complex things with groups, character sets, and logical OR. Escapes the following character, making it as a literal rather than a special character. Oh, I got you. Okay. So I think I know the difference here, but let's just say. Okay, so a character set denoted by the square brackets matches any one character enclosed in the brackets. For example, ABC matches any single character, so A, B. So it basically means or any of these, A or B or C, or any of those, right? You can also specify a range of characters like A to Z, so any of those, any one of those, which matches any lowercase letter. Okay, SCD, Regex, R, ABC matches A, B, or C. So in the case of the original one, Regex R1 or A or B or C. Okay, that character set. In the group, denoted by parentheses allows you to combine a sequence of characters as a single unit, which can be useful for applying quantifiers to multiple characters, or capturing the text matched by the group. For example, ABC is a group that matches the exact sequence ABC. Okay. So the key difference is that a character set matches any one character from the set using brackets, or are those brackets? Yeah. While a group, are those? Yeah, I think brackets, braces, squigglies. I don't know. While a group matches sequence characters as a unit, and they use a parentheses for those. Okay. All right. So that sounds good. I'm actually comfortable with that. A lot of that stuff, you would just have to go through, like matching any single character, match the start of a line, the end of a line. I think you would just have to use those repeatedly to get used to what they stand for. And if I look at the one that I've got in my well, it closed the file because it's Visual Studio. So if you look at the regex that I put in from that, where is it? Where did you go? Oh, here. Yeah, so if I look at these, I can actually, this explains all of these. So for instance, for the color, it starts with what? The parentheses there? Color equals, and then you've got parentheses, which again stands for the group. So the parentheses defines a group, okay? And then the first part of the group is the bracket, okay? And it's using 0 to 9, so any of those numbers, 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 9, A through F, capital A through F, small letters. So that's a hexadecimal. That's a hexadecimal number. And then that's just a single digit, and then it uses the squiggly brackets and 6 to talk about the number of these, so that's 6 of these. Okay, that's the first time that that has made sense for me. I didn't actually look at this, I just used it and it worked. That's cool. Interesting. Okay. Alrighty, and then let's look at the next one. Sorry. So the next one is the display name, where it uses this right here. So again, we've got a group, and then it's one of these, which is the caret, and then the semicolon. So let's look at what those are. So the caret matches the start of a line. Okay. So it's the start of a line will happen, and then it's looking for the semicolon somewhere in that line. So it's looking for a match, right? And then it's using the star for that, because then you're talking about if the star matches 0 or more of the preceding element. So, yeah, 0 or more of those. And then what follows that? Interesting. Yeah. It's because of the way the display name actually occurs inside, because it's going to be right after display name equals, and then it's going to have this right here. After you see display name, just like after color, you're going to see the hexadecimal, with this being the literal character. This is going to be what occurs in the text, and then it's going to be this right here. Okay. I think the start of a line or semicolon. So in other words, after the display name, if it doesn't run into a semicolon, it's not going to return anything, I don't think. That's just 0 or more. Alright. And then this one is the message, which is at the very, very end of the thing. So you're looking for, what it's looking for is a match here, and it's got, yeah, let's ask it to walk me through this one more time. Sure, let's break down the regular expression. Yada yada. Matches the literal character, colon. Okay, this is a group that matches any sequence of characters that are not exclamation mark. That is a character set that matches any character except exclamation mark. Oh, except exclamation mark? Hold on. Let's let it finish so I can actually focus on the screen. So annoying. Just a little bit more than I can scroll. There we go. Alright. So that is a character set that matches any character except that, and that is a quantifier that means 0 or more of the preceding elements. So that matches 0 or more characters that are not exclamation mark. Oh, okay, that makes more sense now. The parentheses create a group, which means that the text matched by this part of the regex can be captured for later use. That matches the literal character, matches 0 or more characters that are not colon, matches literal character. This is a group that matches any sequence of characters. That is a meta character that matches any character set up a new line. And that is a quantifier that means 0 or more, so that matches 0 or more of any character. The parentheses create a group, which means the next match is. So to summarize, this regular expression matches a string that starts with a colon, followed by any number of characters that are not an exclamation mark, followed by an exclamation mark, followed by any number of characters that are not colon, followed by a colon, followed by any number of characters. The sequence of characters that are not exclamation mark and the sequence of any characters after the last that are captured as groups for later use. Oh, so that's what goes into the thing. Okay, interesting. So, yeah, that's pretty much that. I just happen to recognize that from... Matches any character from a set. Okay, character classes. Matches any character from a set. ABC matches A, B, or C. Oh, that's right there. Negated character classes matches any character not in a set. Oh. So that matches any character except A, B, or C. Oh, that's why the caret... Oh. So wait, what is the character? Matches the start of a line. So why does the caret there mean something different? Oh, in regular expressions, the caret has two different meanings depending upon its position. Start of a line, when used, when the caret is used at the beginning of a regex pattern outside of the character set. It matches the start of a line. For example, that matches any line that starts with ABC. Negation. When caret is used at the beginning of a character set, it negates the set. This means it matches any character that is not in the set. For example, that means any character. So in your example, STD regex that is negated character set matches any character there. I hope this helps. Okay, I didn't realize that. Depending on its position inside or outside of a character set. Okay, well, there we go. Something to remember. Okay, quantifiers, we already went over that. How many times a character group must occur? 0, 1 or more, 0 or 1 exactly n times, n or more times, between n and m times. Oh, this is interesting here. STD regex match 0 or more a. Okay, alright. Anchors. Matches the start of a line, matches the end of a line. Okay, matches ABC at the start of a line. So that's where this actually means start of a line, but outside of the character set. We got it. Matches the end of the line. Okay, groups and alternation. Matches A, B, C, or D, E, F. That's the OR. So that's a group, and then that's the OR. Escape sequences /D matches any digit, matches any word character, matches any white space character. Oh, okay, it matches any digit. Let's take this one. Sure, in regular expressions, escape sequences are used to denote special character classes or to allow special characters to be used as literals. Here are some common escape sequences. Okay, match any digit. Matches any non-digit character, capital D. Okay, matches any word character, A to Z, 0 to 9, dash. Matches any non-word character. Oh, capital does that, okay. Matches any non... So capitalization means the exact opposite. Matches a word boundary, matches a non-word boundary. Matches a new line character. Matches a carriage return. Matches a tab. Okay, remember when using these escape sequences, you need to escape / because C++ all treats that as a special character. So this helps, okay. Alright. Okay, so that's kind of cool. It matches any character except the new line, dot character. Lazy quantifiers, add that after quantum, make it lazy, meaning it will match as few characters possible. For example, dot star question mark matches any character except new line, but as few as possible. Matches as few A as possible. Okay, remember to escape backslashes when writing regex patterns in C++. Also use SCDS match for storing matches regularly. Okay. Okay, so, I mean, that's pretty cool. That's basically how to do regex, and just let AI kind of teach you. And this really didn't take that long. I mean, I don't really know everything about regex, but I know kind of the gist of it. And there's 20 minutes. Okay, I'm going to end the stream and say thank you, everybody. Big shout out to Quantum Apprentice. Let me put a link. Where should I put a link? I'll put a link in the description in the YouTube video. And in the Twitch, there's nobody in chat right now, so I can't shout them out. So. All right, thanks everybody.